Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Audi Q5 2.0T Quattro Premium Plus. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, with all-wheel drive, and a Tiptronic transmission. This Audi has less than 197,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, external temperature display, moonroof, roof rails, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, spare tire kit, trailer hitch, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.